If you've ever lost hours of work in Photoshop because the app crashed, your computer shut down, or you accidentally closed a file without saving, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to recover unsaved or deleted Photoshop files step by step. We'll cover Photoshop's automatic recovery folder, how to check your Adobe Creative Cloud files and version history, how to open recent files, and how to set up better protection for the future so this doesn't happen again. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and fixes. Now, let's get started. The first method is the automated auto recovery folder. This is the easiest place to look if Photoshop crashed or your computer lost power unexpectedly. In many cases, Photoshop will reopen and automatically show you the lost project with a recovered label in the file name. If that happens, you're in luck. Just open the file right away and save it properly before doing anything else. If Photoshop does not open the recovered file automatically, you can still manually find the backup. On Windows, press the Windows key and the R key at the same time to open the Run dialog box. Then paste in this exact path, %appdata \Adobe \Adobe Photoshop 2026 \AutoRecover. After that, press Enter. A folder will open that contains Photoshop's emergency backup files. Look for files with a PSB extension. These are usually the auto-recovered versions of your work. Double-click the file to open it in Photoshop. Once it opens, go straight to File, then Save As, and save it to a normal location on your computer with a proper file name. This is important because you do not want to rely on the recovery file forever. Save it immediately so you don't lose it again. Now let's move to the second method, which is checking your Creative Cloud files. If you were working on a cloud document, or if your Photoshop settings automatically saved to the cloud, Adobe may already have a copy of your file online. This is especially helpful if you deleted the file or saved over it by mistake. Open the Adobe Creative Cloud home website and sign in with your Adobe ID. Once you're inside, look at the left-hand sidebar and click Files, then choose Your Files. From there, check the Cloud Documents tab to see whether your file is available. If you deleted the file, scroll down to the bottom of the left sidebar and click Deleted. If your missing file appears there, hover over it and click Restore. That can bring the document back instantly. If you saved over the file and want an older version, open the file on the website and look for the timeline or version history icon on the right side. Adobe keeps previous versions, so you can roll the document back to an earlier hour or day. This is one of the best ways to recover a file if the current version is not what you want. The third method is to open recent files directly inside Photoshop. Sometimes a project doesn't actually disappear, it just closes unexpectedly and is still sitting in your recent list. To check this, go to the top menu bar in Photoshop, click File, then choose Open Recent. You'll see a list of your last opened files, usually around 20 projects. If your missing file is listed there, just click it to reopen the document. This method is quick, simple, and often overlooked, so it's always worth checking before you assume the file is gone for good. Now let's talk about how to prevent this problem in the future, because recovery is great, but prevention is even better. In Photoshop, go to Edit, then Preferences, then File Handling on Windows. Look for the option that says Automatically Save Recovery Information Every. Make sure it is turned on, and if possible, change the interval to 5 minutes for better protection. That means Photoshop will keep saving recovery information more frequently, so if anything goes wrong, you'll lose less work. If you are working on important client files or large projects, this setting can save you a lot of stress. So to recap, if you need to recover an unsaved or deleted Photoshop file, first check the automatic recovery pop-up, then manually open the auto recovery folder, then look in Creative Cloud documents and deleted files, then check version history if you saved over something, and finally use Open Recent inside Photoshop. After that, make sure your autosave settings are turned on and set to a shorter interval. If this video helped you recover your Photoshop file, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.